Hi, my name is Arvind Karina. I'm from class E. My student ID is 2505113. I'm from manufacturing engineering. Today, I will compare and explain the methodology of two different journals. And from first article, the title is Material Engineering of CuV oxide, composite, thin films gas spark deposition, influence of deposition gas on photocatalytic performance, and author Penumpang San Wang et al. Journal name is Result in Engineering, published by Elsevier. Now I will explain the methodology of the first journal. From the materials is copper or Cu and iron, where 99.9% purity uses electrode, quartz glass used as the substrate. Instrument, spark deposition system, Raman spectrometer, XPS, TEM, and UV vis spectrophotometer. Procedure, CuMVe wires were used as electrodes with a high DC voltage to produce sparks. The process was done under different gas O2 and 21 and air for 20 minutes, depositing CuVe oxide thin film on quartz substrate. Electric and magnetic fields were applied to control particle formation and film structure. The film's thickness was about 3 until 4 μm. Now, analysis methods. First, Raman, XPS, SEM, TEM. Now, this is to study structure, morphology, and chemical composition. Next, UV vis spectroscopy to measure optical properties and calculate energy band gap. Third, photocatalytic testing. Nah, methylene iodide degradation under visible light for 5 hours using an 80-watt xenon lamp. For kinetic analysis, degradation rate calculated using a pseudo first-order model. Next, second article, negatively sustainable hybrid exposure composite reinforced with knaf fiber, banana peel was, and seized for multifunctional performance. After Material Maria et al. Journal name is Result in Engineering, published by Elsevier. Now I will explain the methodology of the second journal. From the materials, reinforcement, canal fiber, banana peel was, or PPW, silicon carbide, or SEC matrix exposition with methyl ethyl ketone peroxide as hardener. Instrument, universal testing machine, or UTM, short deep hardness tester, thermography metric analyzer, or TGA, SEM, and water absorption setup. The procedures. First, canal fiber were treated with 5% NaOH to remove impurities and improve bonding. 2 banana peels were dried and cut into 50 until 100 μm powder. 10 until 50 μm was pre-dried. Third, 5 composite formulations were made by varying knaf and PBB content, include 10 until 30% by keeping 5% stick constant. For mixing was done using stirring and ultrasonication for uniform dispersion. Composites were fabricated by hand layout and hot pressing 120 Celsius 5 MPa 30 ml, then UV oven cured at 80 Celsius for 6 hours. Analysis methods. First, mechanical test. Stencil ESTM D638 Flexura ESTM D790 hardness ESTM D2240. And second, thermal test TGA STM E1131, water absorption ESTM D570, biodegradability ESTM D5338, measuring weight loss over 30 until 90 days. Statistical analysis, ANOVA for reliability and error evaluation. Now, I will explain the similarities and difference between the first and second journal. Okay, now I will comparison of methodologies from aspect research. First article use experimental nanomaterial synthetic. Second article use experimental comparison fabrication. Now, from the purpose, first article to study how gas environment affect photocatalytic activity. Second article to develop sustainable hybrid composite with good mechanical and biodegradable properties. From the main materials, first article use copper and iron oxides or CuVe. Second article use chemical fiber, banana peel wash, and cyst-ion explosive. From aspect method or process, first article use spark deposition using high voltage discharge. Second article highlight outflow by hot pressing. Nah, next characterization tools aspect. Now, first article use Raman, XPS, SEM, TEM, UV Fifth. Second article use UTM, TGA, SEM, hardness tester, water, and biodegradability test. Now, from the aspect analysis focus, first article use structural, optical, and photocatalytic. Second article use mechanical, thermal, and environmental. Okay, next aspect is kinetic or statistical analysis. First article use pseudo first order kinetic model. Second article use ANOVA or statistical comparison of sample. The last aspect is an application. Now, first article use photocatalysis and wastewater treatment. Second article use green materials for automotive or aerospace or packaging. I think that's all for me. Thank you.